What's the problem? Beep beep, I'm in my mom's car.
I think we're cooked.
10 out of 10.
Hello, hello, and welcome back. I am so excited. This is so weird to say, but
This is the last time we're gonna see the S2000 like this. I cannot wait because at the end of the video, it's going to be fully wrapped in the Suki livery and I am so stoked.
this has been such a long time coming. This project has been taking a hot minute, but it is so surreal that it's finally coming together and everything is going to be finished on this car. Now, mind you, I do want to go over at the end of what I like and what I dislike about the build with what I did, but for now, let's enjoy and soak up the moment of this car getting wrapped.
Wow, this is so nutty, you guys. But look how good it looks aired out. We did grind out this side of the back rear bumper, which I still have to do the other side to get it to match, which I'm gonna be doing today while Paul is getting some other things set up. We're gonna get this finished.
I'm gonna go get food, I'm really angry. So I'm gonna do that real quick while he does this.
Whoa, it's done already? Look at that.
Yep, got the Suki livery and everything. Beep, beep.
Beep beep, I'm in my mom's car. Oh, that actually does clear so much more.
Oh, no.
Oh, Mason!
You said it cleared. Oh.
To be fair, this needs to get pulled out anyways.
It is. I mean, it clears a little more than what it did.
Yeah.
Oh, that crunch.
You want to air this side out too?
Why is this one? You must have more camber on this side.
Probably.
Because this side is going, but the other side isn't as much.
There's so much gap here, it drives me bonkers.
You must have more,
Because you can see. Honestly, if we just like it out. Yeah, there you go. Just take it right off.
Yeah.
Guys, I just need to add a little camber, it'll be fine. But after this build is done, which one are we going to? Huh? Huh? I don't know. One of them has to get love, okay? One of them.
I can't wait, I'm so excited.
You think it feels empty?
It feels empty without them. It does look really good. And I do get the compact, but it just feels simple.
Chat, what do you think? Wing or no wing?
You're not convincing me.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
I can't wait to hear you drop one.
You do not put that juju on me.
You put the juju on yourself, bud.
Oh yay.
One step closer. Paul's working on the front headlights right now. That's just the last thing that's got to come out. And then we're ready to go. It's so weird seeing it back at this state. It's like starting fresh again.
What's the problem?
They printed the rear bumper the same length as the front bumper, but it is about 20 inches longer. I can stretch it.
Okay.
It might lose some color,
Okay.
and if not, it'll lose some finish, which you can kind of fix by just, I mean, you could PP up the rear bumper and get the finish back.
Okay. All right. On top of this, just so you guys know, I paid extra. I paid extra so that I could have the door jams done. I could have the hard top covered, like everything for the whole shebang. Paid extra. They didn't include it. So not only are we short of that, they didn't print the rear bumper correctly. I get it. We have problems. Nothing's perfect. But when it's every time and every install and you get over it really fast.
So with that being said, we are going to have to stretch the rear bumper and hopefully, fingers crossed, it looks good still. Now as far as the hard top, Paul and Mason went to a print shop this morning to bring them a sample of the pink to have them print a bunch of shades and see if we can get as close as possible to match it to be able to wrap the hard top, because
I have still yet to hear anything back from the person I originally bought the wrap from, and so that might look like a lost cause, but we will see. Maybe they're just super busy. I'm giving them all benefit of the doubt here, but if I don't hear anything back, I'm really hoping that this will come out and actually match and look good, because we are also wanting to do the door jambs.
About to put the first piece of wrap, and she's Pokemon.
Hey.
It finally got laid. So,
The first piece is done.
the first piece. I will edit this to look the color of that.
Wait, but isn't that cool? When this video is live, these are gonna be live. I haven't done skate decks in so long. It's like almost there, right?
Can you skate these?
I can't. You can. I can't.
Okay.
Day 3, an update video. We did not go to the shop today because we have been dealing with trying to find a color and a shop that would print enough for the hard top.
I think we're cooked.
These are our 2 closest matches that we've found so far, but we just want to cross our T's, dot our I's, and make sure there isn't potentially a better one. Y'all, this is so nuts to see, but I'm not gonna lie, what is this? That shit printed awful.
This is so nuts to see an entire side basically done.
Look how good this looks, and with the freaking wheels. Before getting this much wrap on the car, with all of the different colored panels that were on the S2000, it made the color look so wrong. But now, seeing it have an entire quarter panel basically done, it's matching, and the color looks darker than it did initially when we started. I can't wait to see it finished. The hard top being wrapped is like the icing on the cake. It brings it together so much. Are you doing the trunk next, or are you doing the side?
Side.
Heck yeah, I can't wait to see the side done.
Yeah.
The front bumper looks crazy with the carbon lip on it.
It looks crispy.
Wispy. I just realized you have something in your hair.
What is that? What? Touch it. No, touch it. It's like,
It might be a spider egg.
thanks. Don't petrify me even more.
Oh, that's a spider egg.
Okay.
Like, actually, it might be.
Yeah, it's a spider egg.
I hate y'all.
Where are we going?
Ready for my fries. Give me my fries. Okay.
The other side has officially been done. There's just a little bit of trimming up on the back here, and then the trunk has to be done, and then after that it is literally just the jams, which is so crazy to see this thing come together.
Alright.
It looks so good. I've never had jams wrapped on any of the other cars. This is the first time, and like, we couldn't not do this, especially with it being the Suki build. 10 out of 10. It looks so freaking good.
It looks so mean.
So, Buster,
I'm just a cool guy.
what do you think?
I love it so much. I can't wait to drive it out of here. Well guys, I cannot believe I'm saying this, but I am officially revealing the Suki S2000. Before coming to an end with this video, I do want to talk a little bit more about some of the process and the last few things that I had to do with the build and the process and how it looks now. So one of the hugest things I want to talk about, the wrap. I was so scared at how all of these bubbles and stars and all of the design for the livery was actually going to lay on everything, because nothing from this project is at all what actually went on the Suki car in Too Fast, Too Furious. So I had no clue how this was gonna turn out, and thankfully Paul did an amazing job. He took his time and was so nitpicky with everything and how it laid, how it turned out, and I can't express to you that absolutely crushed it. Following in on that, not to mention how good all of the gaps look, how it laid on the fender. We were most scared with this because of the missing gap for the fender, and so how this would lay, and it just looks so good. It literally bows in my back bumper on that side, literally will crumple this side, so I cannot air out fully on each side, but I am gonna do camber arms, which will help dramatically. We did cut out on the inside a little bit, we shaved it down, and then we also took a bolt and we drilled it in right here to help keep this stay out, whereas before it literally just like sunk in constantly, like would not sit out at all. So drilled a bolt back here to help it hold out, and then the camber arms are gonna be super dramatic to be able to get a little bit of camber so that I can air out fully, because I want to see what this bad boy looks like aired out. The front though, that thing can sit on its ass. Looks so good. In the future, one thing I do want your opinion on this. We were gonna wrap the wing, but we ended up not having enough wrap, which was also leading with this. I'll get to that in a second, but we didn't have enough wrap to wrap this, but I'm contemplating if I do want to, whether it's just like each side I'll wrap it, or if I want to wrap the whole thing pink. I don't know. I kind of like when you look at it from that angle back, you can see the accent from like the black wheels, the front lip, the side mirrors, and then the wing. It looks really good. It like complements it back, but I'm also like, in the movie it was done. So I don't know. Drop your comment down below, because I'm really curious of what you guys think, if I should just leave it carbon or if I should wrap it. Moving on, one of the biggest issues we had with wrapping the car was the company that I ordered the wrap from, who did it for me, didn't provide me enough wrap to do the hard top as well as the jams, which look at how good the jams are. I paid extra to get wrap for the hard top and the jams, and that was not provided, and shame on that company for not fixing it, because I paid a lot of extra to be able to get that. The process of getting the wrap was crazy, because we had like this big swatch of colors that we were trying to match to the color we got printed, and it being on a different printer, and there were so many variables, but we are so thankful it came out really freaking close. We did a good job with picking. Guys, we were worrying for nothing. Even though that was extremely stressful, it came out so good. But I need you guys to engulf the whole picture of this car from this angle. Come here. Just look at it. Headlights to front bumper looks amazing. These headlights give it so much aggression to the front bumper, with the hood scoop to the wheels back. And I did order the side skirts. They should be in like any day now, which will help elongate and make it look so good from front to back. And the wing. guys. I'm literally screaming at how this project came out. I feel like I could yap on for hours. One last thing I do want to talk about, the wheel choice. I'm extremely happy that I went with the Volks because I had 3 different options in mind. Futura OZs were one, but I didn't think with them not being, or with them being like a German brand, I didn't think it would be the right move, even though they look phenomenal, because I had a friend who let me try theirs on and they fit perfect, it looked good, but it wasn't right for me. Second were these ones. And third, please don't hate on me, okay? Do not judge me. VSKFs, I want them so bad. I almost went with VSKFs for this build, but I think it would have been too hot boy. I think it would have been too much for the Suki build and the final touches. I think these wheels look very similar and close and give the same vibe to the Suki build, and I think they were perfect for the modern day Suki build. But I will own VSKFs one day in my life, okay? One of these days. I can't really say done, because it's not done yet. There's still a few things, so side skirts obviously. Another thing that I want to change are, I want new taillights. I have never been a fan of these taillights and I want to do something really cool. I just don't know who to go to, so if you guys have recommendations, would love to take them. And then next, the interior. I don't know if I'm just going to keep it stock, because realistically, if it was me, I would keep it stock because I really love the full black sleek interior and I think it looks really good with the build itself. But imagine like an all white interior or an all pink interior, but then would it be too much, you know? I don't know what to do, but I do also potentially want to add pink tint, but not like the obnoxious pink tint, subtly pink tint, if that makes sense. Maybe, but that's also not as expensive, easily removable, so maybe a trial and error with that one. Interior, I don't really know. If y'all have any opinions or ideas, I would love to hear them. Drop them down below. For now, she is who she is, and I could not be more thrilled with how this build came out. But you know what? Drop a like, drop a comment right now if you are so happy to see the Suki S2000 finally basically finished for the most part. Now that this is done and all of the intensive labor and excessively hard things with this build are done, what do I do next? What build do I do next? I really want to take this last few moments to say thank you. Thank you so much for being here with this entire process of this car. Everything with this build, up and downs, nothing was perfect, but I wouldn't change it because she's here. It looks amazing. I can't wait for you guys to see this video. Even though you've already watched it now and you're getting to this point, I'm really happy and excited for you guys to see it. But thank you for being here for the process, supporting so much. I love you guys so much, and I want to show one last thing. I know I showed it in the last video, but I'm thriving and so happy for the Suki merch. If you want to support anything with the Suki build, grab your shirts, skate decks, stickers, everything. Support the build and the next build to come, because I'm really excited for what's next. But until then, guys, I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.